Hi, this is DJ Carroll, president of EasyPro Property Services. I'm here today to talk about the largest project we've ever taken on as a company. They're calling it the TQL Stadium, and it's now the official home of the Major League Soccer team, Football Club Cincinnati. EasyPro was awarded this post-construction power washing cleanup project by Turner Construction. We utilized 14 technicians and 8 power washing rigs that pumped out, get this, a combined 78 gallons per minute to take on this massive project. I'm happy to report that we finished on time and under budget, but most importantly, without any injuries or near-miss incidents, maintaining our time loss-free record. Our low-pressure, high-flow system allowed us to wash away dirt, rust, battery acid, and construction debris from this 518,000 square foot space encompassing 26,000 stadium seats, along with countless rails, walkways, and stairs. Just look around. This is 59,000 square feet of concrete. EasyPro was responsible for cleaning all of it. Throughout the stadium, we found numerous areas of rust that came from a combination of tools, equipment, and battery leakage from lifts. You know what really grinds my gears? Rust. And thanks to EasyPro, these unsightly stains can rust in peace. Utilizing our proprietary cleaning solution, we were able to lift these stains safely and efficiently for the client. The final step of the project was cleaning the adjacent 4-story, 90,000 square foot parking garage that fans will park in on game day. Sometime during construction, the sprinkler system malfunctioned and spewed gallons of rusty water onto the concrete. We were responsible for sweeping up all of the dirt and debris and trash, as well as power washing these sizable areas. All EasyPro team members follow strict safety guidelines set forth both by our company as well as Turner Construction. All our team members wear high visibility vests, safety glasses, steel-toed boots, and hard hats. Finishing a project on time and under budget is very important to us, but nothing is more important than the safety of our team members and in ensuring that they make it home to their families every single day. Whatever your cleaning needs may be, you can rest assured they'll be handled by well-trained, uniformed technicians and supported by an unmatched customer service infrastructure that has a documented less than 2% callback rate. Don't risk your reputation with unqualified contractors. We use professional equipment, professional processes, and achieve professional results every time. For your current or future construction project, make life easy and call a pro. We deliver on-time service as well as competitive, budget-conscious solutions for your needs and challenges.